Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CLC Clean Crochet. Guys, today I'm going to teach how to make this one hand top. It's very easy to make. You just need your leftover yarns, any colors of your choice, and just combine them with single crochet and you make this. So let's start, guys. So these are my yarns that I'm not using. So this is what I'm going to use: a pair of scissors, stitch markers, and I'm going to use a 4.0 mm hook. Okay, so first of all, you make your chain. Okay, I'm making my chain. Of course, you can use single strand if your yarn is a bit bigger, but I'm doubling it because it's very thin. And you can use a thin one as well, depending on you. So you just make your chain, put it around your high waist, there you go. So this is the simplest summer outfit that you can make on the go. So you just make your chain, put it around your high waist, and yes, so that's what I'm doing. And we are going to use single crochet throughout. Very easy. And you can see that my yarn is a bit stretchy, so no need to work hard. Okay, so you make your single crochet, you join your piece, the beginning and the end with a single crochet. Okay, so you put a stitch marker there just for an indication. Yes, so first of all, you make a single crochet in each of the stitch holes I have here. So you're going to go round and round, making single crochet in each of the stitch holes. Guys, so when you get to where we started from, you just going to go round and round and round and changing your colors. So after several rows, this is what you have. So let's move on with the colors until we get to a place where it covers our breast. Okay, so you keep on making your single crochet till it goes up to your breast area. Okay, and remember that this is your starting point and your ending point. So whenever you are starting any color, make sure that it goes like that. It starts exactly where you are starting when you are changing. And you can see that my work stretches, so I don't really need to make any adjustment to it. So single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Right, so guys, this is what you have. So next of all, you are going to create the armhole. So we are going to put our stitch marker here, you skip one stitch hole, and the next you put your stitch marker there. Okay, so our single crochets are going to start from where the stitch marker is. Okay, so you yarn over, you put through, and you make your single crochet. Okay, to fix your yarn. So you make single crochet in each of the stitch holes that we have until we get to the other side. Okay, this time you're not going to go round, so let's put a second stitch marker here. Okay, guys, so you chain one and you turn your work. Now you're going to go this way with a single crochet till we get to the other side. But remember, when we get to that side, we'll end at the two stitch holes before the stitch marker. That's where we are going to end. So you make your single crochets to you get to that two stitch holes before your stitch marker. That's where you're going to end your single crochet, because we want our armhole, we want the hand to just slide over that area. Okay, so where we have our pink stitch marker, that's where we are going to create that sliding effect. Okay, so your single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. Okay, so you see the two stitch holes that we have here, so we'll end here. Yes. Okay, so we are not going to complete with that one. So you chain one and you turn your work again. Okay, so we are gradually creating some sliding effects here. So we are going to skip the first stitch hole here, then the second one we make a single crochet. Okay, so you keep on making the single crochet, and remember to always create that effect at where the pink stitch marker is, but with the yellow one it goes straight like that. Okay, so single crochet till you get to where your yellow stitch marker is without any skipping. Of course, you can use a double crochet for this work. Anyhow, any stitch pattern that you want to use, you can definitely use it. Okay, but remember to change your colors, and you can also use one color that you prefer. Okay, so you make your single crochets. So you keep on making your stitches until you get to this side where you need to slide again, and when we get there, definitely we are going to end at the two stitch hole before the last stitch that we made. Okay, so yeah, this is it. You're going to chain one and you turn your work. So you see that as we keep on skipping the stitch holes, you realize that our work is gradually sliding. So you keep on making this and this and remembering to maintain the other side of your work. Okay, so it goes gradually slide like this till you get to the top. Okay, so let's do that and let's see. So guys, after that, this is what you have. You can see how gracefully it's slided to the end. Okay, so we're going to leave some parts there so we can stitch we can seal at the top. Okay, so you're going to do the same for this part of our work, just like so. This part, you're going to slide this part and maintain this part to get the same star. Okay, and you can use the same stitch, the colors that you use for this same part. So let's start and finish with that, and I'll show you what to do next. Guys, at the end, this is what we have. Isn't this so beautiful? So we are going to fix the top with the thread and needle. You can use single crochet for that. So let's turn to the negative side so that we can fix it, then return it back to the positive side. So you're just going to fix this here. Can use single crochet for this part. Okay, so you fix it, then you tie it in such a way that it doesn't come off. Then you cut off your excess. Right, so let's do that. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, give me a like, comment. Yeah, so this is what we have. Just cut off any protruding yarn and you are good to go. You can also make single crochets at the edges to keep it flat or to make it even, or you can just try and hide some of the stitches in the inside, like how I'm doing it. Guys, our summer top is finally done. Isn't this so beautiful? Stay tuned for my next video tutorial. Bye.